Russian station on Space to Ground.
Meet NASA's newest record-breaking astronaut. Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Dan Hewitt. Jeff Williams just broke the record for most time in space for an American. As of August 24th, Williams has spent over 520 days in space in his lifetime, surpassing the record set by one-year crew member Scott Kelly just a few months ago. Williams' career started on Shuttle Atlantis during STS-101 back in the year 2000. He then rode on 3 Russian Soyuz vehicles to the station as a long-duration crew member during 3 6-month stints in 2006, 2009, and right now. By the time he returns in early September, he'll have accumulated 534 days in space, setting a high bar for future NASA astronauts. After over a month attached to station, it's time for SpaceX's Dragon to depart. The crew closed the hatch to Dragon on Thursday after packing it with about 3,000 pounds of cargo. The spacecraft, which launched back on July 18th, delivered almost 5,000 pounds of supplies to the station, including the first international docking adapter, which was installed during a spacewalk last week. The only resupply craft capable of re-entry, Dragon is returning a variety of science samples and experiments, including heart cells that were cultured aboard the space station to study how microgravity changes the human heart. This week, Twitter user The Tracer wants to know where the thrusters are located on the ISS. To find out, we need to head over to the Russian segment of the space station. The Russian service module, also known as Zvezda, has 32 attitude control engines. They're split up into 2 groups of 16 engines each, able to control the attitude and altitude of the station. The primary method for boosting the station, though, is using the Russian Progress resupply vehicle, which when docked provides another 24 engines. 8 of those can be used for reboosts, regularly raising the station's altitude or firing to avoid space junk. Keep sending us your questions using the hashtag #SpaceToGround. We'll see you next week.